Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channels. Today I am going to discuss the projectile problem. So I wrote already the problem. So before this little basic concept I will discuss and I will solve this question. So projectile. So angle of projections. What is that? So what is meaning of projectile? So distance between the point of projections and target is known as angle of projection. This is the zero is point of projection and this point is known as target. If you throw the ball with the initial velocity u, if we hit this point, that is known as target. So that angle made by, suppose angle of projection is theta. What is angle of projection? Angle made by the initial velocity with respect to angle of projection. Angle made by the initial velocity with respect to the horizontal. That is called range. Angle made by the initial velocity with respect to range is known as angle of projection. Then range, what is range? Range nothing but distance between point of projections and target. Range is nothing but distance between point, O is point of projections and target is known as range. So here this u is initial velocity, but actually here two components will act, u sin theta and here in horizontal velocity u cos theta. Based on this all formulas and all will come, that I am not going to discuss. This is maximum height, range and time of flight, all those formulas will come. So here for the particular problems we need the range formula. So range formula will come u square sin 2 theta by g. So for that particular problem I am going to discuss today, so this formula will use. So this is the basic concept here. If you throw the ball, it will follow the parabolic path. Once they hit the ground, that is known as target. This is known as range. What is the maximum height? When the velocity will, final velocity will maximum, that this height will be the maximum height. Okay. So this is the basic concept. Now I am going to solve these questions, what the questions are telling. So this range formula will keep it here. Now see here what they are asking. A projectile is aimed to mark the horizontal plane through the point of projections. Through the point of projections, this is the O is a point of projections. They mark this point is nothing but target. This mark is nothing but our target. This point is target. O is point of projection. Falls 15 meter shot. Suppose, and what angle? This angle made by 20 degree. If the throwing the ball at angle 20 degree, this is the 20 degree, ball hitting the target before the 15 meter. That is total length is range. That means where is our target. But once that angle will be 20 degree, this hitting before 15 meter. So that means nothing but r minus 15. This is called r1. R minus 15, this is called r1. So look again. Point of projection and falls 15 meter. Suppose they are throwing the target from the point of projections. It falls down before target. How much? 15 meters before. So the thing was R1 is equal to range this. Now next, if overshoot 30 meter, when angle is 45 degree. Suppose they are throwing by 40 degree. This is called 45 degree. Given 45 degree. Then this crossing the target, that means how much? Nothing but r plus 30 is equal to r2 you can say. So this is the given questions. What is given questions? If you throw the ball in 20 degree, they are not hitting the target. This is our target. They are not hitting the target. What happening? That ball falls before 15 meter. Once the angle is 45 degree, it is giving overshoot. Overshoot beyond the target. So R2 is equal to R plus 30. That is the given. Now what they are asking? Find the angle of projections to hit the target. So what angle will throw, so they will hit the target, that only we have to find out. They given here initial velocity, that velocity, which one? So this target, no, this is the velocity is constant for all the cases. That means this angle we need, this velocity, this angle I need. This is the target, no, so this angle I need, this one. This angle we need. So in that case, the velocity will be equal. Both cases velocity equal means once 20 degree hitting the target from 20 degree and 45 degree, both cases u will be same. And air resistance neglected. Air resistance neglected the given that case. Okay, so what I'll write? This definitions I wrote, look again. Angle made by the initial velocity with respect to horizontal is called angle of projection. Angle of projection. So angle of projections, let us assume theta be the angle of projections. You can assume alpha also the angle of projections, theta whatever. So angle of projections. Okay. Now what is case 1? Case 1, what is given? If theta is equal to 20 degree, range R1 is equal to R minus 15. If theta is equal to 45 degree, R2 is equal to R plus 30. These two cases given. Case 1, case 2. So now we have to find out the theta. What angle they will throw the ball, they will hit the target. So range formula, already I told what is range formula. So range is equal to nothing but range formula I wrote somewhere. U square sine 2 theta, U square sine 2 theta by G. This is give equations number A. Give the equation number A. Range formula. Okay. Now case 1, case 2 will go. So case 1 what is? R1 is equal to U square sine 2 theta 1 by G. R1. So what is R1 here? R minus 15. R minus 15 is equal to U, velocity is constant for all the cases. So U, then sine 40 degree. Why 40 degree? Because they given theta 20 degree. So 40 degree. U by G. So if you will find out U square G sine 40 degree. Sine 40 degree, if you will calculate, it is coming 0.64. 0.64 coming. Give the equation number 1 now. Now case 2. If R2 is equal to U square sine 2 theta 2, then by G, then what we can write here? R plus, so that implies R plus 30 equal to U square will be as it is, G sine theta 2 45. So sine 90 value is 1. Give the equations number 2. So R plus 30. Now how we'll calculate this? One simple method is there. What we'll do? Divide 2 by 1. What is divide 2? R plus 30. Then divide by 1, R minus 15. Then similarly here R plus 30 how much? U square by G. Then R minus 15 how much? U square 0.64 by G. So now what we can write here? See here, U square by G, then denominator it will go here, then it's U square 0.64. You can write like this, this term we can write like this. So G get cancelled, U square get cancelled. So what is finally is coming? So now problems I will rub it. Problems what I wrote, I will rub it now problem. We'll solve the question. So what is there? R plus 30, R minus 15 is equal to 1 by 0.64. 1 by 0.64. Now we'll go the cross multiplication. What is? R into 0.64 plus 30 into 0.64. This over, then 1 into R minus 15. So R minus 15 itself. Now look here, what we'll do here. This you write 0.64R, 0.64R plus 30 into 0.64. 30 into 64 is coming, how much coming? 30 into 64, 19.2. It is coming 19.2. So 19.2 equal to R minus 15. So look here, that implies this 15 you bring here. So 19.2 plus 15 is equal to R minus 0.64R. So 19 plus 15, it is coming 34.2. So 34.2 is equal to 0.36 R. So R is nothing but 34.2 divided by 0.36 is equal to 95 meter. R coming how much? 95 meter. Now substitute R, either equations 1 or 2, wherever. So equations 1 or 2, wherever you substitute, you will get the u square will get. So okay. So now this part also I will rub it here. Continue this part. Substitute R, either equations 1 or 2, wherever you want substitute. So which is easy for us? So take the 2. So from 2. I am taking. Why? Because this calculation is little less. So R plus 30 equal to u square by g. R is equal to 95 plus 30. G is equal to u square. So 125 G is equal to u square. So u square I know now. Now what we'll do? Substitute u square in equation A. What is our equation A? Look here. Equation A. From equation A. So what was our equation A? R is equal to range formula. R is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. So substitute R, substitute u. So R is equal to already given 95 we got, na? R is equal to we got 95. 95 is equal to u nothing but 125 g by g sin 2 theta. So g get cancelled. 95 by 125 is equal to sin 2 theta. That implies sin 2 theta is equal to 95 by 25 is coming 0.76. 0.76. So 2 theta is equal to sin inverse 0.76. So that implies it's coming 49.464. This is coming 49.464. So what is theta? Divided by 2. So it is coming 24.73 degree. So what we are observing now here? What you observe here? If they will throw the ball an angle 24.73, they will hit the target. That is the angle. How much? This angle we got now 24.73. This angle is 45. This angle is 20. This angle is 45. So once they are hitting 20 degree, they are not hitting the target. That ball comes down before the target. Again you are hitting 45 degree angle. This going beyond this. How much? 30 meter beyond this. So these two cases will substitute. You will get the theta. This is the simple way to solve these questions. Okay, friends. Thank you.